Alright, this may not be the best quality video because this is a cell phone. But this is the elevator at the... Focus. Hold on. Here we go. This is the elevator at the Nordstrom rack in Clearwater. Look at this. This button's upside down. Here are the escalators here. This is a Schindler 330a. Here it is. Oh, there's people. Sorry. No! This was installed in August of 2014. Close indicator can. Ooh, I wonder if this thing's low on oil. One. Pretty basic elevator. I do like the carpet floor. We got HT vandal resistant here. And we're going to go to 2 again. Here we go. I think it's slightly low on oil. Are y'all going in? Want the close from here. Again, I apologize that the quality is bad. There it goes, and that is it.